Well, unfortunate incidents happen. The stock battery is not of a good review. I was not even close to my bike for 2 months, more than 2 months actually. My father had some medical emergencies and we had to go to Chennai, and the bike was still in Jalpaiguri. We were not able to attend all this. So I was pretty much expecting, obviously the battery will be depleting, and the stock battery is not of a good review. If this comes back to juice and everything, I am planning on changing a battery. If we change, definitely will make a video and show it to you.
Here we are using Bosch C3 charger to charge our bike.
See, this is the Bosch C3 charger. There are a few symbols of this is reverse polarity. This is, it automatically detects and finds out. You don't have to choose between the options. If it finds it's a car battery getting charged or a four-wheeler battery, which is obviously of bigger capacity, higher capacity, it will take this OK become green and constant, and the battery symbol, this yellow blinking charging symbol, will completely turn off. And this is what it looks like when the charging is completed. The OK button becomes green while the blinking stops. So this is the completion of the charging process. It took roughly 10 hours. As of now, it's night 12:30, and since it has completed, I'll try starting the bike right now. Let's see if the bike starts good, but at least there is no battery indicator, hence the battery is showing as completely charged. So even after 2 years, it is proved that at least for this bike, if you're not starting it, if you're not using it for a month or so, please make sure after that when you come back and try using the bike, don't try to do anything, starting the bike or anything. Try to first directly connect with the Bosch C3 charger or any type of charger, juice up the battery completely, and then only start off. Because actually, if with a very low charge we are trying to start many things, the circuitries can go off. And for any other bike maintenance, I think this should be kept in mind. Please charge off your batteries if it is not used for long.